Namaste, this is Bhagwan Kulkarni. I welcome you all to this Brahmin Satya channel, and today I am very happy to tell you that we have started our website brahmasatya.in, and we have also launched our app Brahmasatya app. This is exclusive for Brahmins, and app is totally by invitation. Registration also on the website is with approval. We will have to approve. So there is a column where you can register and log in to our app. And this website and this app basically constitutes of Brahma Mitra, Brahma Vyapar, Brahma Nokri, and Brahma Vivah. There are other things also coming up, that is Brahma Shikshan, Brahma Artha, and all that other things. But today, when I am delivering this lecture on this video, we will today I will talk only on Brahma Vivaha. And Brahma Vivaha is something like that today lot of our Brahmin people remain unmarried as they don't get proper combination for their marriages, and that is why, as it is, we are into minority, and that is why our population is day by day going down. So I want to connect 10 crore Brahmins. I want to connect 10 crore Brahmins across the world through this app and through this website. I would request you all to register and log in to this website, and also download this app Brahma Satya. In Brahma Vivaha, this is a matrimonial feature, and in this matrimonial feature, what we are delivering is this is not a commercial this thing. It is only one time fee of 400 rupees plus 72 rupees towards GST. That is 472 rupees you have to pay one time, that is online, and post that you can put up everything. You can see till your marriage takes place. You can see the proposals given on the website. Now, here, what is difference between our Brahma Vivaha this thing and other matrimonial sites? Other matrimonial sites are quite commercial, and I have no issues about they being commercial. Okay, but my problem is that if my boys of my community are not getting married, which is hampering the population of my community, in that case, what is an alternative? So we have been talking, we have been discussing with a lot of people like Shankaracharya, Mahans, Mahamandleshwars, and we have been telling them, we have been talking to them and how to solve these issues. There are a number of issues which we cannot talk in this open fraternity. Definitely, in some time we will be talking on Brahma Satya website, which is within the family, within only to Brahmins. We limited to only to Brahmins. Whatever quarrels we have, that would be limited to only this Brahma Satya.in or Brahma Satya app. So there, what those people who are not able to get married, especially the people who are performing pujas, Paurohit and other people. So how do we get them married? What alternative remedies we have? What things we can discuss? So we are discussing all these things with all these people whom I mentioned, Shankaracharya and all these people. But with all that, we are also having people who are looking into what Shastra has said or what our Purana has said, where when this kind of problems have occurred. So and how to overcome that. So we will be doing that. We will be counseling people on that front, and after counseling, we will be getting them married also. And for that, we will be charging anything extra. Let me tell you. Now we have started. We have an office in Pune. We have a place in Pune where we can have meeting of around 50 to 100 people at a time. Okay, and that we will be eventually we will be conducting all those things. But as and when this group grows up, we will be coming to other places of the country also, and delivering and not delivering, we will be counseling and see how our people get married. There may be there may be marriages among inter languages, that is a Kannada and Telugu Brahmin can marry, or a Tamil and Telugu Brahmin can marry, maybe a Telugu and Marathi, Telugu or Odia, or say a Punjabi and Tamil Brahmins can marry. This can be worked out, this can be seen. So that is how things can get things can overcome. That is number one. Number two, we have to stop this love jihad issues. There are a lot of Brahmin girls who are marrying Muslims. Okay, that is absolutely not acceptable. So we have to stop. And the modus operandi of a love marriage, of a love jihad, is very different. It is not a marriage. There is something very great behind that, which we all know. So parents have to take a special care, and to see that their children are put this in their brain that they have to marry a girl or a boy from their community only. We will take a special session on this, but for today only this much. Thank you very much.